I don't think enough people know that manifesting is not just about positive thinking. When you desire to change your reality and shift your identity from within, things will come up. And most of the time, those things are not positive. But it's part of the process of manifesting. You have to be willing to meet parts of you that you may have rejected, ignored, or suppressed. And one way to deal with these emotions is EFT tapping. And I want to talk about why it's so powerful when it comes to manifesting. So if you have watched any of my tapping videos, you know that I do a different version to the standard EFT formula. I do what's called faster EFT tapping. This method was created by a man called Robert Smith, and it's a blend of traditional EFT, NLP, and neuroscience, or the understanding of the brain. I love faster EFT because it's fast and very effective in the way that it can shift the way we process thoughts and feelings. And unlike traditional EFT, this only uses 5 of the meridian points. And in between each rounds, there's what is called a pattern interrupt. And this is an important process because it allows your brain to break old neural pathways and create new ones. And inside my program, Become Magnetic, I have so many tapping meditations. And honestly, the people that have done it say that they feel these shifts almost instantly. And this is because you're dealing with the issue right away. Like you're rewiring your brain instantly using this tapping technique. So if you want to give it a try, I have lots of free videos here on TikTok and YouTube. But if you want to go deeper, definitely join Become Magnetic. I promise you, there is a tapping for just about everything in there. It's basically a course on like how to live life. It teaches you the art of shifting your identity from within to create a better life externally. Okay? Thank you so much for watching. Ask me any questions in the comments below. Follow for more, and I'll see you next time. Bye.